We're also going to leave the ovulus running in the background too. My name is Amy. Can you tell me your name?
Leave.
Have we stayed our welcome today? I'm very sorry if we have. We can leave for you if that's what you'd want.
Tonight. Faith.
I've got a lot of that. Keeps me sane. Do you have a lot of faith?
Yeah.
Nice. Can you tell me about the afterlife? Can we talk about that? Maybe what you see?
Cursed.
Are you saying you're cursed?
Bloodline.
Are you of the Ford family? I know their bloodline was supposedly cursed. Yes, they were supposedly cursed, weren't they? So what happens to you now in death with this curse?
Karma.
Karma. Is yours good or bad karma?
Nervous.
You don't have to be with me. I mean you no harm. I just want to speak with you. Maybe you tell me about the afterlife and
Punish.
you feel punished, don't you? Is this Mr. Ford?
I can't.
You can't move on, can you?
No.
Is that because of what happened at the ferries?
No.
Did you do something else? How can I help you? I want to help you.
You know that.
Pray for you and help you cross over? Is that what you need?
Tell you again. They said it like I got to tell you again.
Not at all. I'm going to say my prayer, okay?
Correct. Earth. It's like
Do you see who I've called with me?
torture.
I'm trying to help. Look around you. Do you see who I've called? My spirit guides and angels are here. They're here to help you cross. They're here to make you stop feeling...
Wasting your time.
I'm not wasting my time unless you're unwilling to cross. And then I don't even call it wasting my time. Are you not willing to cross? I want to help you, but you have to help me help you. Are you still with me?
Heaven's not here.
No, it's not. I'm not sure why you're staying earthbound.
I felt something walk up on me here.
Is that you walking by Shannon? Can you touch his hand?
Hello.
Hey. Are you someone new? My name's Amy.
Family.
Are you part of the Ford family? I didn't notice that, but that's cool, Wendy.
Ford's here.
Which one? Which Ford?
Ford.
Which family member, I mean, sorry. Is it Mary Evelyn?
Elliot.
Elliot. I don't know who you are, Elliot, but it's nice to meet you. Are you the one I was just speaking to about help? I don't believe you are.
Enough.
Okay. Oh, thank you, Tyann.
Stop.
Okay.
Near. H. Funeral.
A funeral near? There was a lot of funerals up here, wasn't there? They were getting frustrated, so I stopped.